Tuples are collections of variables or objects of different types that are gathered within a single compound identified by the tuple's name. A tuple can have any number of components, and the components don't have to be of the same type. Each element's type can be declared, otherwise it will be automatically inferred by Swift. Tuple elements can then be retrieved by using each element's position. It is also possible to name tuples values. In this way, retrieving or changing them later will be much more efficient. We'll find a lot of usage for tuples in the next lectures. Okay, let's define our first tuple in our playground. So let's say we have a variable, my first tuple equals, and in parentheses we put brand BMW, comma, model, colon, GS, comma, displacement, colon, 1200. That's our first tuple. It's a collection, basically a collection of values that can be of different types. Here we have 2 strings and 1 integer. And all these values will travel gathered under the name my first tuple that I defined. How can I access the elements of my tuple? The first technique is by index. Let's say var a equals my first tuple dot 0, and so I get the first value inside my collection of values, meaning brand, otherwise 2 will be 1200. Let's define another tuple, var my second tuple equals brand Honda, colon, model AT, colon, displacement equals 750. I can access the values inside my tuple also by their name. Bike model equals my second tuple dot model. And similarly, if I want to change the value inside the tuple, it's enough to say my second tuple dot model equals Africa twin. There we go. Now I change the value of the model element inside the tuple.